Hi guys, so welcome to another interesting tutorial on how to password protect your document in Microsoft Word 2013. Charming Tech Pros. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell. Okay, so to password protect your file is not hard. You just need to open the document that you want to protect, and there you can be able to see the contents in your document. So to protect, just head to file, under info just click on protect this document and restrict the document. Exactly, so just enter a password and then click OK. Then it will ask you to re-enter the password. Just do that and then click OK, and that particular part now changes to a different color. Go back and save the document. Alright, so let's open the document now to be able to see if it's really working. And there, boom, it requests us to enter a password. So I entered a wrong password knowingly, just to make sure that you can be able to understand that it's really working. So simply open the document again, and then now in this case now I entered the correct password, and there click OK. Alright, so you can be able to see the contents of your document. So to do that, just repeat the same process, only in this case now you clear the entered password and click OK. And then now you have to save the document again to make sure that the changes have been saved. Alright, so simply open the document again, and this time round it should not ask for a password. There, boom, simple. Now you know. Charming Tech Pros.